Hi friends, thank you for joining for today. Today we are going to draw and color a beautiful and cute unicorn. So let's start. Firstly, I am drawing the basic outline with pencil. It will be easy to draw with pen with basic outlines. So I draw it with pencil like this. Let's draw it with pen. The ear and here the nose and the eye. This eye are so much cute and somewhat lovely, and hair and again the eye, and let's color it somewhat like this, and an eyebrow, and the best one, unicorn horn. Like this I draw it. Unicorn is a beautiful fantasy. I hope all people love unicorn. It's somewhat cute and lovely. So let's draw the hair and the body. Here the leg like this. Don't think about small mistakes. Let's draw it together. Drawing will be relaxing and enjoyable. Here the hands also and other leg. The tail, I draw a somewhat fat tail like this. I add few lines through the tail. You can save the tail without lines also. And here I add few lines in here like this. And I add few stars. They are somewhat small. And with stars it may be beautiful. Like this. In this place also. And a grass. This one is somewhat unique grass. And a flower. And let's erase the pencil lines like this. If you like, you can use pen also for the drawing. So we finished our unicorn. It's so much beautiful. Let's color it. I use color pencils. Color my unicorn. If you like, you can use pastel or any other color also. But I love color pencils. And I can mix them well. So I use them. Firstly, I use dark blue as a deep layer to light layer, starting with outlines, not all over the unicorn. For the unicorn, here I use a beautiful color combination. You will see it in future like this. All over the body lines, add a deep layer to light layer, dark blue. You can use colors as you wish. There may be favorite colors in your life. You can use them. Feel free to use your favorite colors in your drawing. It will be relaxing your mind too. After that, I add purple color like this. This one also deep layer to light layer. And in middle of unicorn, I use purple color as a light layer like this. And in the nose as a deep layer. After that, I add pink color. This one I use as a deep layer all over the unicorn in middle of it. Maybe yellow color also beautiful and should be matched for this. If you like, you can use. And light blue also suitable. In these places I use black color as a deep layer. If you like, you can use brown color also as a deep layer. For the ear, in this place I use yellow color and pink color. For the hair, firstly I use orange color as a deep layer in outlines like this. After that, yellow color all over the hair as a deep layer. For the tail also as same as like this. In lines, I use orange color as a deep layer like this, and after that I add yellow color as a deep layer all over the tail. Let's color the unicorn horn. Firstly I use dark blue as an outline, and after that I add light blue, and for the eyes I use light blue. Let's color the grasses. Firstly I use dark green and after that light green. For the flower I use yellow color and red color like this. Let's color the stars. Firstly I use dark blue and light blue, red color and pink color, red color and yellow color, and again dark blue and light blue, red color and pink color. So we finish our unicorn. It's so much beautiful. Let me know what you would like to see next. Thank you.